you have to be careful regarding the, she's playing with something.
Yeah.
And we got an answer like cotton because she's playing with that.
They folding the cotton is plunder. Yeah.
No, because she is playing with that and they thought that it is cotton, the remedy is cotton. But I think that is with polyester. Polyester.
Yeah.
So many weird answers, Mark Van Doos. Who is that? He's here, no? Marky?
No.
He said it is Drosera. Carol is Cocculus indicus. Mark Jens, I would prescribe Drosera. That is you, Mark. Gabriel, Eva, you can tell which one is a medicine. You did not participated?
Yeah, she did. You sent in the cough remedy. Which remedy?
No, I haven't said any.
Not she, maybe someone from India. Karina said, I think the remedy to give is Corallium rubrum, cough paroxysmal consisting of short coughs. Good. And Jeroen van der, Pieri, plumbum, agaricus.
Jeroen, that's me.
Pieri, Popski. That's you, right?
No. Jeroen van der Kruif.
Maria Papadopoulou. Huh?
She's online.
Rumax. Okay. Cynthia. Sriraj is from India. Naina is from India. Constanza Bustos, is that?
Okay, English.
Aravind from India. Lakshmi from India. And all the Indian answers are correct. Yeah?
Could they answer?
I will tell the answer. Paula Barani. Who is that? Paula Barani. Dr. Majida from India. Correct answer. Regina. No.
Yeah, that's
Who?
Regina.
Regina Negelus and Hildegard.
Ja, Hildepoort.
Good. Janet Cronenberg. Victoria Hammers. Victorine Hammers.
She's online.
Online. Okay. So the correct answer is
Corallium.
goes with the first row. Everybody, Corallium rubrum.
Yeah.
So I think last girl, she was with the online, right? Victorina.
Yeah.
Good, Victorina. So thank you Rene and Yanke for giving this thing a beautiful event. Thank you. And thank you everyone. You were a nice audience. You were not an audience. You were participating like anything. It's been changed, not like the last time. You are now, I think you are not more virulent. Okay, you have the enthusiasm. Okay, so thank you.